What's Google Lens and why is it so super important now? That's what we're going to be talking about today. Hi, this is Frank Buck, and this is the place to be if you want to get organized and make it look easy. In this video, I'm going to show you what Google Lens will do and tell you how you can get it today for free. You and I know how important Google search is, and you and I know how handy copy and paste is. What if we could perform a Google search not from words typed in a search bar, but by pointing our phone at something in the physical environment? What if we could copy text by taking a picture of it and paste it not as a picture, but as editable text in a Word document? That's what I'm going to demonstrate for you now. We're going to demonstrate the power of Google Lens with 7 examples. One is going to be a pen display, a slipper, a tablet stand, a briefcase, a picture of a dog, some text, the Gettysburg Address, and some other text that's in a foreign language. We're going to start with the pen case. Now, you're looking at my home screen on my phone. Toward the top where you see the search window, over toward the right-hand side is a little, what looks like a camera. I'm going to tap that. That's bringing up Google Lens. I point it at the pen case, tap the button, and watch what happens. Look at the search results that have come up. Now, Google Lens, I think, is a little mystified whether it's looking for pens or whether it's looking for the pen case. But it's done a pretty good job of both. And all I have to do is tap on any one of these, and it's as if I'm shopping for that particular item, and I can go right to whatever store. So imagine that you're in a store and you're shopping for something. Maybe this next example, this is going to be a shoe, a slipper. So I point it at the shoe, hit the button, and voila, here come my search results. Tap on any of them, and it takes me right to the store where I could get those. Let's look at the tablet stand. Point it, hit the button, and look at the search results that I'm getting. All right, next, let's go all the way back out to the home screen just to show you from the very beginning. Next, I'm going to point it at my briefcase. So here's my home screen, and I just tap back up a little bit so it gets the entire briefcase in there. And now hit the button. And instantly it knows that I'm looking for briefcases. It's matching the style as best it can. And tap on any of them as you see. All right, let's look next at the picture of the dog. So we'll sort of center it. We'll hit the button. And wow, it's not only returned dogs, but that's a picture of a Sheltie. Let's do 2 more. Here's some text. This is the Gettysburg Address. And of course, we could find that online and copy and paste it from anywhere. But let's imagine that this is a page from a book, and you want that text to be editable. So you don't want to just take a picture of the text. Watch what I can do. I'm going to tap, and it's recognizing that this is text. The options that I have at the bottom, one of them says copy text. That's what I want to do. I want to copy all of that text. If I only wanted a portion of the text, I could manipulate these little blue arrow points, but I want all the text. And now look what I have at the bottom. I can copy text. I can copy text to computer. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Copy text to computer. It's asking me which computer I want. It's going to be that one. Let's go over here to Word. We open a new document, and we're going to say Control V. And there we go. How accurate was it? Take a look. Did it make any mistakes? Now, isn't that a lot better than having to hand type something from a page in a book? So you can literally now take a picture of text and then paste that text. One final example. We're in a foreign country. We see a sign. We don't know what it says. Let's point the camera. Gosh, we don't know what that sign says. So we're going to hit the button. It recognizes that this is text. And look at things I can do. I can copy it. I can search the text, or I can translate. Let me hit translate. And look what it says. No food or beverage past this point. And I'm seeing that right there on my phone. So imagine being in a foreign country, you see a sign, you don't know what it says, Google Lens to the rescue. So how easy is it to get to Google Lens? You're at your phone's home screen, you see the search window, the little icon there toward the right. So how do you get Google Lens? Well, if you have an Android phone, you likely already have it. Just search your apps, and if you don't see it, it's a free download from the Google Play Store. Okay, now suppose you have an iPhone or an iPad. Can you use Google Lens? The answer is yes, but you won't find it in the Apple App Store per se. Instead, you're going to look for the Google app in the Apple App Store. And that Google app includes a number of services, and Google Lens is one of them. So that's how the Apple folks are going to be able to get Google Lens. Now, why am I making this video now? Google Lens has been available since October of 2017. So we've had it that long. But here's the thing that to me makes it so newsworthy. You noticed how on my Android home screen, the little search window that I kept talking about over and over and over, and how there was that little camera icon that was Google Lens. That just appeared for me several weeks ago. So before then it was, well, the app is somewhere on your phone. Now Google has made it front and center. Now, if you have an Android phone and you happen to have Google Lens on your phone, which you probably do, you may have noticed that little camera and just not even have known what it was. It's Google Lens. So now that you know about Google Lens, try it out. Find it on your phone, download it if you don't have it, and then go outside, open the app and point it at a plant or a tree or the neighbor's dog. At first, it's a novelty, and like anything else, a little practice makes it easy to use, and soon you'll start to realize just how significant this little app can be. And if you think being able to go out in the front yard, take a picture of a flower, and have Google Lens identify exactly what flower it is, if you think that's handy, imagine the times when you're going to be able to take a picture of text from a book, send it to your computer, and bam, you're able to paste it into a document. And the best way to make a piece of software part of your system is to practice with it before you actually need it. So here's my challenge for you. As soon as you finish watching this video, go and see if you have Google Lens, and then open a book, take a picture of that text and see if you can send it to your computer and then paste it into a document. When a real life need presents itself, you'll be ready with Google Lens. Thanks for stopping by today. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and take a look at these two videos right over here. Consider subscribing to the channel. This has been Frank Buck, helping you get organized and make it look easy.